Welcome back. This is Panda-Frog and we have a new package from China, from AliExpress, and you guessed right, it's a couple bucks pick set. And right off the bat, right, I would say it looks exactly like the Goso. The handle is different. It was like, I don't remember, 5, 6, 7 bucks, wasn't much. So let me see, I got the Goso set also, and I picked out 2 picks from the Goso, and let's compare them to the even cheaper China set. So it's Secure Pro, alright, and we got this little, I believe it's a rake for dimple locks, never even really tried it, and if you look at it, looks exactly the same. Even the 9 is stamped in here. So it's probably the same manufacturer. They just put a different handle on it. Alright, so, and the one. No, it's 3, 5, 1. So, alright, I used this one a little in the beginning, so it's a little dented to this side, but I believe it looks exactly the same, or it looked back then exactly the same. I'm not using this for a while because I got, as you know, some better tools. So this is similar to the Goso, maybe exactly the same. You get for a couple bucks from AliExpress, you got this Secure Pro pick set with a couple single pin picks. You got a little, no, you don't really get a rake. It's almost all single pin pick here. So yeah, and you get these 2 tensioning tools. I mean, this is not bad. This one I already have from the Goso tool. Sometimes I even use this one. So yeah, why not? The picks I would go for better picks. So let's see if we can get some tension on my 747 standard test lock. I love it. Let's go for the standard. And we are going to use 1. There's a 1. Let's see if we can pick this one open. Very scratchy. Got the feeling it is open. So you see it works, but the big but. Let's see how thick it is. It's 0.03 inch, which is like 0.78 millimeters. It's very, very thick. And the material is not very good because very soft. It won't break, but it will bend the hell of it. But the good thing is I can bend it back. So, see, it doesn't even look like it was bent before. So it's very, very soft metal. I don't know if you can call it that way, but yeah. So another pick set for the collection. I don't know what I'm doing with this stuff. I have a problem, I guess. I'm ordering shit all over the internet. But at least it was only a couple bucks. No, I will keep the tension tools. No, I leave it in here. I got enough tension tools. Maybe I send it out to someone, I don't know. Maybe someone would like to start picking and I can send them this pick set. I don't know. Alright, that's it for today. We looked at this cheap Chinese pick set, which is pretty similar to the Goso pick set, and that's it from me. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Alright, I got a little update on the cheap Chinese pig set. Onant sent me this little 4-pin cover. Only 4 pins. And I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna try it. And I told you I never used this one. Well, I tried it on this lock and it did work. So let's see if we can do it again. So yeah, let's try to. Of course it doesn't work now, huh? Come on, it did work. So you can use this pig for something. Alright, thanks again for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.